Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Nicole Papay here with a quick update on your forecast. We are watching this strong line of rain and storms moving through our area. It's moving at a very quick pace, so as it moves through your region and you hear those rumbles of thunder and you hear those downpours on your roof, should be in and out. You'll have lingering lighter showers behind it, but still, this main line that we've been watching is moving very quickly. At this moment, there are no active watches or warnings in our area. One good piece of information this morning is the tornado watch that was in parts of western North Carolina, Graham and Swain County, that has been allowed to expire. I want to take you a little bit closer to what we're seeing right now as the line is pushing through the mountains and now centralized right over Hendersonville, Marion area, also Lake Lure, seeing the worst of it at this hour. It's just beginning to break into Oconee and Pickens counties. If you're in Brasstown, you're getting slammed with rain and likely strong wind. Greenville, Spartanburg, Lawrence, you're still dry. We haven't even seen light showers over the last few hours, but the wind is very strong ahead of this line as well. We'll take a look at that wind in just a minute. Locally, though, Asheville, you're dealing with rain. We've got some downpours up toward Bryson City and eastward into Waynesville. Watching those in Hendersonville for the heaviest rain right now. Again, we don't have any indication right now of severe storms, but we could still have that come through as more of this system pushes into the upstate. So, of course, we'll be watching all of this. Off to the west, areas that are kind of done with some of the rain, Alabama areas, a couple of flash flood warnings are there. So we're going to watch for the potential of that in our area as well. We've had so much rain in the last few days, and with all of this wet weather moving in, isolated areas could see some flood concern. Behind the whole system, snowfall up toward the Great Lakes, and we're actually going to watch some of this wraparound cold eventually give our mountains a chance for snow, but that doesn't happen so much until late Sunday evening. So I want to take you through Futurecast here at 4 a.m. just slammed over the mountains with heavy rain and strong wind. Through about 6 a.m. it pushes in toward Greenville and Spartanburg, but here's the thing. Futurecast, it's a little bit behind right now because of how fast this storm system is moving. We could see this into Greenville before 6 a.m., so we're going to watch for that. As this line moves through, it's likely to bring major wind and rain and downpours. We can't rule out a brief tornado. The threat is possible. It's just a low threat right now, which is good news. Then look at that. By 8, 9, 10 a.m., it all gets back to mostly just some lighter showers. We're going to get a good break through most of the day, some scattered rain at times, but we actually should see less of a storm threat through the daytime. Then you get into Sunday evening when the sun sets, rain starts to pick back up again in the mountains first. Then we start to see those downpours take over. The upstate could get a couple of storms overnight, but look at how that changeover to snow happens. So we're going to have a big push of majorly cold air through the mountains first and then into the upstate from Sunday night into Monday. It's going to wrap up with sunshine early Monday morning, only a few lingering snow showers on the Tennessee line, but overall it does look to bring some high elevation snowfall, likely even some light accumulation. Look at the current wind speeds right now. 17 miles per hour in Greenville, 13 miles per hour in Asheville, upwards of 20 miles per hour for Anderson, Abbeville, and Greenwood areas. Wind gusts right now are over 30 miles per hour for Anderson, Greenwood, parts of Lawrence, and even nearing 30 miles per hour for Greenville County. So the winds are very intense this morning. Of course, it's still dark outside. The sun doesn't come up until closer to 7:30. So we're going to get most of this system in and out before the sun even comes up. We're going to watch this line very closely. Again, there are no severe warnings right now, but stick with us. Myself and Kendra, we are both here tracking it for you through the night, through the morning, and as long as the threat persists. We'll be back here on the air in about an hour. And don't forget, you can always get continuing coverage through our newscasts in our app as well as online.